Okay, welcome back to our class for module number 7 for semifinal. So our topic is about depreciation. So what is depreciation first? So depreciation is the reduction or fall in the value of an asset or physical property during the course of its working life. Excluding from this definition are properties whose values increase with time, like antiques, paintings, land, rare coins, rare stamps, and etc. So sa atong depreciation, there are four methods to use to solve for the depreciation. So the first method, we have the straight line method. So in this method, it is assumed that the depreciation cost per year is a uniform amount all throughout the useful life of the asset. So ang straight line method di ay is ang yahang amount per year or depreciation is a uniform amount. So makita na to sa ato ang figure here. So sa atong figure, so we have our D. So our D here is the annual depreciation. Now we have our CO or C0, which is the first cost. So kaning first cost is the cost in buying the property at year 0. And we have our CN, which is the salvage value or scrap value. And we have our CM. So our CM is the value of property after M years. And DM is the total depreciation after M years. So we have our formula for annual depreciation. So D is equal to the first cost subtracted sa salvage value divided by N. And for our DM or the total depreciation formula, we have M multiplies ato ang annual depreciation. And for our value of property after M years, we have CM is equal to the first cost minus the total depreciation. So, sa depreciation, we have a term which is the book value. So, unsa maning book value? So, book value is the present value or current value of the asset. So, present value ang book value. And for the salvage value, so value of the asset at the end of its guaranteed useful life. So please take note for our term. So let's try in our first example for straight line method. So we have an underwater camera costs $1,000. It has an expected life of 12 years, at the end of which the estimated salvage value is $730. So using straight line depreciation, what is the book value of the camera at the end of 8 years? So we have our given in our problem. First, we need to write our given. So our CO or the first cost is 1,000. And our CN, the scrap value is 730 or the salvage value. And our number of years is 12 years. So ang unknown sa atong problem, so we have our M, which is 8 years. And our unknown from our problem is the book value or the CM. So solving for book value, we need first to solve for the sa annual depreciation. So solving for annual depreciation, so our formula is CO minus CN over N. We have 1,000 minus 730 divided by 12. So our annual depreciation is 1. Wait. So doble. So take note sa error sa tong calcu. So our answer will be $22.5. So solving for D8. So before ta makasolve sa to ang book value, So we need to solve for our D8 or DM. So unsa man ning DM? Kaning DM is the total depreciation after 8 years. So we have our formula M multiplied to D or the total annual depreciation. So we have 8 multiplied by 22.5. So our total depreciation is $180. So solving for CM, so we have our formula CO minus DM. So we will write CM equals CO minus DM. So calcu, since given tanan, so 1,000 minus 180. So our answer will be $820. So the book value of the camera at the end of 8 years is $820. So let's try for another example for the straight line method. So we have a manufacturing company buys a machine for $50,000. It estimates the machine useful to be 20 years and that it can be sold for $5,000. Using straight line depreciation, what is the annual depreciation charge? So we know that we have a given, so we need to write our given first before we solve. So our CO is $50,000 and our salvage value or scrap value is $5,000 and our N is 20 years. So ang unknown na to is the annual depreciation or the letter D. So formula for annual depreciation is CO minus CN over N. So given tanan data, so substitute, we have 50,000 minus 5,000 divided by 20 years. So our annual depreciation is $2,250. So that will be our final answer. So proceed na for our second method in depreciation. So we have sinking fund method. So in this method, it is assumed that a sinking fund is established in which funds will accumulate for replacement purposes. So giingon ang kaning sinking fund method is establish funds nga mo accumulate sa atoang replacement purposes. So we have our formula and our cash flow below. So we have our D. So we know that D is the periodic deposits equal to annual depreciation. And our CO is the first cost and CN is the first value of the property. And we have I, which is the standard interest rate. And N is the useful life of the asset in years. So for the formula, so lahi ang formula in straight line and sinking fund method for solving the periodic deposit or letter D. So we have our formula D is equal CO minus CN multiplied to I divided by 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. So please take note for our formula in sinking fund method. So for solving the total depreciation in sinking fund method or the DM, which is the total depreciation after M years. And our CM is the value of property after M years. So formula for total depreciation, we have DM is equal to D multiplied to 1 plus I raised to M minus 1 over I. And for our value of property or CM, so CM is equal to CO minus DM. So let's try for another example for sinking fund method in depreciation. So we have here a piece of machinery costs $20,000 rather, and has an estimated life of 8 years and a scrap value of $2,000. US dollar. What uniform annual amount must be set aside at the end of each 8 years for replacement if the interest rate is 4,000 US dollar? So first, we need to analyze the problem and write our given. So giingon man dire nga replacement, therefore it is we need to use sinking fund method. So from our problem, we have CO, which is 20 US dollar, and our CN is 2,000 US dollar. And we have our interest, which is 4% or 0.04. So solving for, ang gi-unknown na to is the annual amount or the letter D, the annual depreciation. So our formula is D is equal CO minus CN multiplied to our interest divided by 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. So substitute since given tanan data from our problem. So we have 20,000 minus 2,000 multiplies atong interest, which is 0.04 divided by 1 plus 0.04 raised to N, which is 8 minus 1. Wait. So minus 1. So our answer will be, so take note, our N in our problem is 8 years. So our annual amount will be 1,953.50 US dollar. So let's try for another example for sinking fund method. So we have here a company purchased an equipment costing 60,000 US dollar. So excuse me. So again, for our number 2 example in sinking fund method, a company purchased an equipment costing 60,000 US dollar. The equipment has a guaranteed useful life of 16 years with a salvage value of $6,000. Using sinking fund method, what is the book value of the equipment after 12 years? Money is worth 12% per annum. So sa atong problem, so we need to write first our given and analyze. So naghatag siya og first cost, which is 60,000 US dollar, and our CN is 6,000, and our years is, so after book value nato, so therefore our years M will be 12 years, and naatay interest nga 12% or 0.12. And ang atuang unknown is the book value or the CM. So first, we need to solve our D or the annual depreciation before ta makasolve sa atuang book value. So formula, CO minus CN multiplied sa I divided by 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. So given ang data, so we have 60,000 minus 6,000. So multiply to 0.12 divided by 1 point. So 1 plus 0.12 raised to number of years nga 16 years. So we have our N here, 16 years, and raised to 16 minus 1. So our annual depreciation is 1,200 263.061. So, after na to, ma-solve ang annual depreciation, we need to solve for our DM. So, again, unsa to ang DM? So, ang DM is the total depreciation after M years. So, first, our formula is D multiplied to 1 plus I raised to M minus 1 over I. So, na-solve na to ang D, which is 1,263.061 multiply sa 1 plus 0.12 raised to 12 ang atong M years. So, minus 1 divided by I na to nga 12% or 0.12. So, our total depreciation is $30,481.62 US dollars. To solve for the book value, since naanatay total depreciation, so CM, so our formula, diba? Take note ta, so back ta. So, our CM is equal to CO minus DM. So, atong CO is 60,000 minus the DM nga atong na-solve. So, we have 30,481.62. So, our book value of the equipment after 12 years is 29,518.38 US dollars. So, this will be our final answer. So, proceed ta for our number 3 method for solving depreciation. So, we have sum of the years digit method. So, this method is based on the assumption that assets are generally more productive when they are new and their productivity decreases as they become old. So, giingon ang SYD digit method is ang asset nato is more productive if they are new or bag-o sila. Ang ilahang productivity mo decrease as they become old. So, we have here our cash flow for the sum of the years digit method. So, kabalo na tawat. So, unsa ning CO? Our DM is the total depreciation. Our CM is the book value or the value of property. So, sa sum of the years digit method, so, or SYD, so, kaning SYD, we have our formula. So, we have 1/2 N multiply to N plus 1. So, kaning SYD, if naghatag siya og pila ka years or the N or the life years. So, in depreciation, for solving, if unknown man gani in depreciation on year 1, so our formula will be D1 is equal to CO minus CN multiply sa N nga given over SYD. And for the same in depreciation on year 2, so ang N na to is N minus 1. And for the depreciation in year 3 is N minus 2 and so on. And for our DM or the total depreciation formula, we have here D1 plus D2 plus D3 and so on. And for the CM or the book value, we have CO minus DM. So let's have an example for the sum of the years digit method. For number 1, we have a certain machine costs 5,000 and has an expected resale value of $1,000 at the end of its 5-year useful life. So, compute the depreciation charge on the fourth using sum of the years digit method. So, sa ating problem, we need to analyze and write our given. So, naghatag siya og N, which is 5 years. And our CO is 5,000. Our CN is 1,000. So, solving for ang unknown nato is the 4th year. So, therefore, D4 ang atoang unknown. So, first, we need to solve for our SYD. So, ang sum of the year digit method, we have 5 years. So therefore, from 1 to 5 years, i-add na to. So SYD is 15. So solving for depreciation on year number 4, so our formula is CO minus CN multiplied by N minus 3 over SYD. So substitute since given tanan ang atong value. So we have 5,000 minus 1,000. So N minus 3 is 5 minus 3 divided by 15 in our SYD. So our depreciation charge on 4th year is $533.33 US dollar. So therefore, mao ni ato ang final answer. And for number 2 example for SYD method, so we have here a piece of machinery costs 50,000 and a guaranteed resale value of 5,000 at the end of 10 years. Using as sum of the year digit method, what is its book value at the end of 5 years? So first, we need to write our given. So sa problem na to, naghatag siya og 10 years na N. And our CO, which is 50,000 US dollar. Our CN is 5,000. And book value at the end of 5 years. So M is 5 years. And ang atong unknown is the book value in 5 years. So first, we need to solve for our SYD. So 10 years man. So from 1, add lang na to, hantod 10. So our SYD is 55. And we know that our formula for depreciation in every year, so we need to solve for the total depreciation after 5 years. Kaya giingon man diri sa atong problem na at the end of 5 years. So therefore, we need to use our from 10 years to 5 years. So we have 10 plus 9, 8 plus 7 plus 6. So substitute. So our N is 40. So 50 CO, 50 minus CN divided by 55. Atong SYD, our N is 40. So after 5 years, so our total depreciation after 5 years is 32,727.27 US dollar. Since nakuha na nato ang atong total depreciation after 5 years, so we need to solve for the book value. So we know that formula is CO 50,000 minus the total depreciation in 5 years is 32,727.27. So our final answer for the book value at the end of 5 years is 17,272.73. So this is our final answer. And for the last method for depreciation, so we have declining balance method. So in this method of depreciation, it is assumed that the annual cost of depreciation is a fixed percentage of the book value. So kaning declining di ay na siya'y fixed percentage sa atuang book value. So let K is the constant annual rate of depreciation. So take note, K is the constant annual rate. So formula for solving our constant annual rate is K is equal to 1 minus the nth root of Cn divided by the CO. And for our book value or CM is we have CO multiplied to 1 minus K raised to N. So let's have an example for our declining balance method. So first, an equipment has a first cost of 7,000 and a useful life of 8 years. Its salvage value at the end of its useful life is 350. Solve the depreciation charge during the 4th year using declining balance method. So first, don't forget we need to write our given. So we have our CO, which is 7,000. Our CN is 350. And our N is useful life of 8 years. And our unknown is the depreciation charge in 4th year. So we have first, we need to solve for our K para ma-solve na to ato ang C4 or the CM. So we have 1 minus, so we have here our N is 8, our CN is 350 divided by 7,000. So our K or the annual rate is 0.3123. And solving for our CM, so our formula is CO minus 1 multiplied to 1 minus K rather raised to M. So solving first for our depreciation charge during year 3. So i-solve sa nato. So 7,000 minus 1 multiplied to minus 1 0.3123 raised to the power of, so our M is, so first we need to solve for number 3. So in depreciation charge for 3rd year, so we have 2,276.64. So if in 4th year, so we have 1,565.648. So therefore, ang depreciation from 4th year, so we need to subtract from our C3. So we have 276.64 minus atong C4 1565.64. So our depreciation charge will be $711. So for our last example for declining balance method, we have a given item has a selling price of $1,000. Its value depreciates at a rate of 12% per annum. So what will its selling price after 6 years? So ang given nato, we have the CO which is 1,000 and our K, so naghatag siya rate nato, rate of annual depreciation which is 12% or 0.12, and our M, so after 6 years. So we need to solve for the CM in 6 years or the selling price after 6 years. So we have 1,000 multiplied by 1 minus 0.12 raised to 6 years. So our final answer will be $464.40. So that will be all our topic for module number 7 for our semi-final. So study in advance for your upcoming exam. So if you have any question, you can comment in our Google Classroom. So I hope you have learned today. So good luck and thank you.